Hi everyone! Today is Sunday here. I hope everybody went to church today. It's the Lord's Day. So honor Sabbath day, Sunday, and the holy day of obligations. So yep, we're here today in my garden and thanking Lord for all the blessings. Today I'm gonna pick tomatoes in my garden so I can make salsa. These are big already and very ripe now. So I'm gonna pick them before other animals. That's huge. Look at that, how huge. That's a big one. Some tomatoes. I planted them first week, first week of June or last week of May. So now I'm harvesting them. I dropped one on the ground. Huge. Good for making salsa, or if you make soup, vegetable soup. Grab some from here too. Oops. Fresh from my garden. The rest I will leave them there because it's not too ripe yet. But thank you, Lord, for the blessings. We've got tomatoes, big tomatoes. I finally have one eggplant here. Look at my eggplant. So cute. Gets bigger. And some of my cucumber that I haven't. I think this is a cantaloupe here hiding. So, or watermelon. Some of my beans here, I replanted them because the gophers ate my beautiful beans. Good thing that I harvested them. Yep, here's my tomato. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. Grow your own food. God bless to all.